This video is going to be on adding rational expressions with common denominators and binomial numerators. All right, so let's go ahead and review what these things mean. A common denominator, means that we have the same value on the bottom here, right? So when we're adding or subtracting fractions, we need to have a common denominator. Think of it as having a same sized slice. You can't add together two different sized slices and actually have your answer really mean anything about the quantity. All right, so we also have binomial numerators. If you'll notice, these are both examples of binomials. All it means is an expression with two terms, 8b and negative 9y, and here it's b and negative 3y. So in all of these, we're going to be adding together or subtracting rational expressions with common denominators and binomial numerators. So let's simplify our answer as much as possible. Let's go ahead and make sure that we realize this negative applies to this entire fraction. So I would rewrite this all as negative. So we have negative 8b plus 9y. And remember, we have common denominators. Right, we already applied this negative to the things on top. If we applied it to the things on bottom, those would cancel out and we wouldn't really be making anything negative at all. Plus b minus 3y over 7b. All right, so what we can really do is we can just kind of write these all out together and combine like terms. So we have a negative 8b plus 9y. We have a positive b and a negative 3y. And that whole thing over 7b. Remember, when you add with a common denominator, you don't add 7b plus 7b. It's not 14b. You just keep it the same. All right, so what are the like terms here? Well, let's say we have a negative 8b and we have a positive b. That's like a positive 1b, right? So if we add those together, we'll end up with negative 7b. And for our y values, we have a positive 9 and a negative 3. 9 minus 3 would be a positive 6y. It's a positive. And again, this is all over 7b. So let's go ahead and take a look. Negative 7b plus 6y over 7b, and it shouldn't matter which order it's in. There you go.